cold outside, but the fire
Welcome
keeps us
to day
warm.
3.
We can spend the
Alright guys, so I have the little tiny baby Christmas tree inside, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do with it. I'm out here on the back porch and it's a mess back here. So I have this planter, it's solid. This joker is heavy and solid. And I'm going to plant it in here. But I'm going to take it outside to the garden because I feel like it's going to be way messy and I don't feel like cleaning up a bunch of mess back here. And I just cleaned this table off. So I'm going to carry this, and it's going to be super heavy carrying it back to the house, but we're going to do
it. Y'all, he's trying to escape. So he just put up the wreaths around the gooseneck lights on the detached garage. And, ooh, y'all don't look at that mess in that garage. We gotta go through the decluttering and getting rid of in this garage. This garage is gonna get a whole makeover, because we're going to have it insulated and the walls finished in there. So, but we gotta go through a whole decluttering and getting rid of. Then he has the big light up top. And he needs to fix those strings. The lights are like, I see strings in the middle. You see it? And there's no bow on it. Where's the bows? And then there's the other light over here. You see these two planters here? He built these black planters. And the mums are going to come out. And I'm going to show you what's going to go in place of the mums. Alright guys, so I have a mint bed up at the front, and in this mint bed are these two trees here, and I'm thinking about removing them because they're getting quite large and they're going to be too big for this bed. So I'm thinking about removing them and putting them in those planters, those black planters up front, and it'd be beautiful, I think, to have lights on them. What do y'all think? Come into this messy garage, and you can see here's another one of those planters that he built. This one needs to get painted, and these boxes right here are some new benches, black metal benches that we need to put together for the front porch. But I may not do that until spring. We'll see. So yeah guys, I'm going to take you upstairs because I think that there's some things I need up here. This is a 2-story detached garage. Like I said, you see it's not finished. None of it is, the walls are unfinished. No insulation or anything. But I have a project that I want to do with this detached garage. He didn't fold my flag. Oh no, brother, you got to fold my flag. We have a couch already up here. I've had this couch since my single days. It's a beautiful sofa. It's total slipcover sofa. Custom slipcover from in California when I lived there in LA. Beautiful. I mean, the whole thing, the body of it, the pillow covers, everything comes off and is washable. So here go my trees. They go in the front, on the front porch. Those need to come down. And I feel like there's something else up here. There's something else up here that I need. There's nothing in that box. Something else is up here. But here are my trees. Those need to come down. Alright guys, so we're going to have the guy to bring those trees down and fluff them up. You playing with the chime?
Make sure it works. You don't ever hear it.
Make sure it works. You gotta have a strong wind. Look how heavy that thing is. We need something taller. Gotta find a taller stand for it. Oh, the planes. You hear the planes? Okay, so this greenery here, some pine. And the guy is going to string this pine garland up on the arbor. It's gonna be cute. On here, I just simply hung some garland. This is a juniper garland that I just hung up on here. The juniper berries are dying off. It rained, and so, but those are the juniper berries on it. Last year I had a wreath on here. No wreath this year, but I may put a bow in the middle. I think we're gonna do a bow in the middle. Alright, so I have two of these metal trellises, and they're like these cone shaped metal trellises, and I got these from Pike Nursery. They have beautiful trellises if you're in the market for a trellis. But I put lights on them last Christmas, and you see the jasmine is growing on this one. The jasmine died on the other one, but for right now, I have the lights already strung on them from last year. I turned the lights off during Christmas, and it was just too much to try to take them off. So I'm going to see if the lights are still working. And they're solar lights. So let's see if they're still working. So this is the on and off switch, and the way you're going to check it is you have to cover up the panel. Here's the on and off. Oh, it's working! Yeah! It's working! I don't have to replace the lights. Thank you, Jesus. Y'all see that? Okay. So I'm going to stick that back in there. I need to clean it off so I can get good light, but they're working. All right, the greenery is up on the arbor. We have that garland up, and on the gate I just need to put bows on those, and we'll do that probably tomorrow. So I have the big guy inside finally. And I think I want to change the bow. I think we're going to change that bow. I feel like I have some old red wired ribbon. So I'm going to go find that, and yeah, we're going to change this bow. I don't like it. Alright, to the attic. This is the top of the house. It's actually a walk-in. You can actually walk in. Let me show y'all. So it's not one of those you let the ladder down and climb up. We just literally walk right into it. I love it. And this house actually came with the option of doing a third floor. So if we did the third floor option, this would have been a room right here. This would have been a hallway. There would have been a bathroom over to the right, and then up some steps, and then all of this would have been a bedroom, and all of this utility would have been pushed out to the other side over there. So it's a lot of wasted space. We just didn't know if we needed all that space. And if you do the fifth bedroom up here, it would be a fifth bedroom and a fifth bathroom, you'd have to have a larger septic also. So we just store some of our travel stuff like suitcases and some of the extra holiday gear up here, and some over in the other detached garage. But things that I need more immediate, I need to keep on hand, we just put them over here. So I need to find that ribbon. We got a little bit left, so I can use this for a gift. I'm gonna keep that. And perfect. Found it. Eureka. Put that back. Let's go. We got our ribbon. We got our ribbon and we are ready. All right, I'm gonna make a quick, simple bow for it. Take this off without ripping. Oh God, it's sticking to my hand. Okay. So it's literally you just fanning. I don't want to make it big because it's a small tree. And you just literally fan it back and forth. And that's it. You got the little pieces and you just cut these on a diagonal. This one's ragged, so I will cut that end. And then you just use a zip tie or a twisty or something in the middle. So I had this white zip tie and I'm just going to put that in the middle. And it should hide it. So I will pull the two ends together like this. And now I can start fluffing. And the wire helps you. You can twist and turn. And I have some, actually I have some red pipe cleaner ribbon. I have some red pipe cleaner that I'm going to put right here to hide that, since it's not hiding it. Or you can take, actually what I'll do is I'll get another piece of this ribbon and I will put that in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to replace that white with this red pipe cleaner. And now you can't see anything, it's just red. Or you can use a piece of the ribbon itself. You can use another piece of ribbon, works perfectly fine as well. All right, so now we have the bow made. I'm going to put it on. So guys, I put this little pad down so that it will protect the granite. And now I can move the tree. Ooh. This bad boy is heavy.
And he's all done. So cute. It sits right here on the kitchen counter. So cute. This was a piece of poinsettia that broke off, and I just literally popped it into a wine glass and added some water and just popped this little guy. It's just I think I got this last year, a couple years ago at Target. I think they still have more of these in the dollar zone, and just put it right there. So this just adds a little pop of green and a little red to give a little color to all the neutralness of the kitchen and living room. Alright guys, so that is it for today. I found my little Christmas pillow and popped that in this chair behind me. And that's going to be it for today. Tomorrow I'm going to do outside. We're going to finish outside, and it's going to be really simple. I'm just adding some twinkle lights to the ivy planters, and I think that's going to be it. We're going to see if we dig up those 2 trees out of that bed of mint and add those to the black wooden planters. I think those would be cute in front of the detached garage. And oh, I have to put the wreath, put lights on the wreath around the door, and that's it. And I use solar lights because that way when the sun comes up, they shut off on their own, and then they come back on at night. You don't even have to do anything. So super easy. I love that. And that's it.
Toss it, Jack. Toss it, Jack. There we go.
He knows how to handle
There
it.
we go.
Watch out, baby, watch out.
We'll
Yeah, we'll slice it up later. Just make a slice of it.
just like,
One side, and the other guy makes a slice on the other side.
yeah. You can go into it, that's okay.
Look at the king. Got it right up.
There you go.
Not gonna die, just kidding.
Okay.
And these ladies with a little check for $1,500. Do we have a photographer? Do we have a photographer anywhere? And turns them over to a veteran that fits. So we're gonna present a check for $1,500 as well to Piper.